Welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Mechanical Engineering Department is as vintage as the institute itself. The department has enrollment of average 200 students per batch in undergraduate program, 76 students per batch in MPhil, and 6 students per batch in PhD. The department hosts a faculty of 44 members, including 7 professors, 6 associate professors, 14 assistant professors, and 17 lecturers. Undergraduate degree programs offered by the department are BSc Mechanical Engineering and BSc Automotive Engineering. And graduate degree programs offered are MSc Mechanical Design Engineering, MSc Thermal Power Engineering, MSc Automotive Engineering, MSc Railway Engineering, MSc Renewable Energy, and PhD Mechanical Engineering. The Department of Mechanical Engineering has set up 16 labs including Mechanics of Material Lab, Engineering Drawing Lab, Heat Transfer Lab, Power Plant Lab, and Computer Lab.
Welcome to the Department of Automotive Engineering. This department was established to contribute to the automotive engineering field through research and innovation. At present, this department operates under Department of Mechanical Engineering. Currently, a wide variety of research and development facilities are available at the center to support educational and industrial requirements. Moreover, in the following key research areas, state-of-the-art research work is presently going on: in-cylinder fuel spray simulation and direct injection engines, homogeneous charge compression ignition engines, comparative engine performance analysis with different fuels, noise and pollution control in small petrol engines, and low pressure natural gas as a fuel in stationary engines. The department provides liberal research facilities to the postgraduate students and to the faculty members. The Department of Automotive Engineering is focused at producing graduates who are not only good at technical skills but could contribute to the practical automotive engineering field.
Mechatronics is the synergistic combination of mechanical engineering, electronics, control engineering, and computer essential in the design of intelligent products. It allows engineers to transform their concept into reality. Initially, mechatronics was offered as a postgraduate degree program at UT Lahore in 1999. Keeping in view the futuristic need as well as market demand, the undergraduate program was initiated in 2001. The Faculty of Mechatronics includes 19 members, out of which 2 are associate professors, 9 are assistant professors, and 8 are lecturers. And the currently enrolled students are 548. Programs of study offered by the Mechatronics departments are BSc in Mechatronics and Control Engineering, MSc in Mechatronics Engineering, and PhD in Mechatronics Engineering. The department is well equipped with resources in the form of laboratories including artificial intelligence and robotics, biomedical engineering, computer digital systems, automation, hydraulics and pneumatics, embedded systems, instrumentation and control, power electronics, and simulation.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Professor Dr. Mohammad Kaisar Salim, Chairman IME Department, JUIT Lahore Main Campus. The BSc Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering program was initiated in 1999 under the umbrella of Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. The program is specifically designed in view of the industrial needs of today. Our graduates find wide range of potential jobs in various sectors such as textile, automotive, general manufacturing, and consultancy opportunities. So this program is about an insight on the state-of-the-art manufacturing processes, the industrial management aspects, process optimization, and evolving industrial trends such as Industry 4 and green manufacturing, which is the need of the hour. The program is accredited on level 2 accreditation for the last 3 sessions, and we are moving for the next accreditation as well. As far as the program strengths are concerned, we have got highly qualified and experienced faculty. We have got 14 faculty members, 9 faculty members are PhD. We have got state-of-the-art laboratories, library facilities also available, internship opportunities, and the general ambience of the department provide an overall learning experience for the students here. So I welcome all of the potential candidates to come and visit the department, see for yourself what we have to offer, talk to the faculty, take guidance. We are also available with the information brochure for your guidance so that you can make a decision after visiting our department. Thank you, and we're looking forward.